Picture this. You're cruising down the highway, windows down, music blasting, when suddenly, your engine sputters and dies. Fear, frustration, an expensive tow truck ride. But what if I told you that nearly 80% of those panic-inducing breakdowns could be prevented by 5 simple, DIY steps? Yep, you can slash repair bills, boost performance, and feel like a car care superhero, all before your morning coffee. 1. Breathe easy. Air Filter TLC. Your engine needs fresh air like you need oxygen. A clogged air filter chokes performance, kills fuel economy, and can even cause misfires. Here's the quick fix. Spot the filter in the black box near your engine. Pop it open, clips or screws, and eyeball it. If it's dark or dusty, swap it out. $10, $20, 5 minutes. Pro tip, lightly dusty, blow compressed air from the inside out at a 45-degree angle. Up next, the secret oil trick that could save hundreds on repairs. Speaking of breathing, ever tried doing yoga in a phone booth? Exactly. Your engine deserves more room than that. 2. Oil wisely. Synthetic over conventional oil changes aren't just routine. They're make or break for engine health. But here's the catch. Using the wrong oil grade can turn your powerhouse into a sluggish slug. Always follow your owner's manual. Then, level up with full synthetic. Flows like silk at any temperature. Fights sludge buildup, reduces friction. Hello. Smoother rides. Skipping an oil change can cost you $1.00 in engine repairs down the road. 3. Fuel injector. Rescue your fuel injectors are precision sprayers. Clogged injectors, uneven spray, rough idles, wasted gas. The remedy? A quality fuel injector cleaner. Choose a brand approved for your car. Check your manual. Add when tank is below half full. Fill up and drive gently for 5,100 miles. Tip #4 will surprise you, especially if you've never peeked under your intake tube. 4. Throttle body tune-up. The throttle body controls airflow. Carbon, gunk here, rough idles, stalls, poor mileage. But cleaning it is easier than you think. Locate between air intake and manifold. Remove air tube, electrical connectors, then the throttle body itself. Clean. Spray throttle body cleaner. Wait 10-15 seconds. Wipe with a microfiber or soft brush. Reattach. Let the ECU relearn. Idle will smooth out in minutes. Imagine trying to sip a milkshake through a cocktail straw. That's your engine without a clean throttle body. 5. MAF sensor magic, mechanics' best-kept secret. This tiny sensor measures incoming air. Dirt here, wrong readings, poor combustion. Most skip this step, but it takes just minutes. Cool down engine and disconnect battery negative. Unplug and remove the MAF sensor. Spray sensor-specific cleaner, 10-15 short bursts. Air dry completely, no cotton swabs or compressed air. Reconnect everything. These 5 steps could add years to your engine's life, yet most drivers never try them. Ready to stop. Overpaying at the repair shop and start taking charge under the hood. Hit subscribe and ring the bell, because here on Auto Repair, we turn everyday drivers into confident DIY pros. Drop a comment below. Which trick are you trying first? I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe.